Well, can you grab my candy?
Yeah.
I want to drop it and I don't get to eat it.
Oh, I got it started.
Yeah. Maybe if you stomp on it hard, it would work.
Don't get mad.
That's what I'm doing. Come on, I started you before the video, you stubborn.
Work. Let's try it now. Work.
Oh, that hurts my back.
If you teach me, I'll try, but...
Oh, she's leaking. Okay, babies. Are you leaking, baby? Oh, no. No, honey, no.
She has to go pee!
No. She's leaking. No, honey, no. She's leaking. Good.
She's probably trying to poop.
I think that's probably a good thing, because it's probably overflowed. Maybe.
It does that overflow, or if you're going to, like, dumping it.
Well, I know I'm able to.
They're coming up.
I want some.
So I'm able to start you 2 times, then not start you.
You got the choke on?
Yeah, it's all the way up.
Okay, you got gas on?
Yep.
Okay.
You got it started, but now he wants to try to do it on video.
I got her started twice.
Alright, then turn the choke off. Now kick it. Keep going. You've got it flooded.
The hole.
I can smell gas.
Yeah, I smell it too.
Yeah, just keep, you have to kick it through, don't give it any gas at all.
Don't give it any what?
Don't give it
Don't
any
put-
throttle.
Okay.
Don't, you know. No,
No, I'm just keeping it that way.
don't worry about it. How do you know your gas is on?
Gotta put it up or down.
Which way was it off? Was level?
Straight. Yeah, level.
Okay, point it down. All right, now try it.
I know it's moving the piston.
I know, so do I.
I can feel it shaking.
Now choke it.
Choke it all the way up.
Choke it, yeah.
Alright, keep up.
No,
It's bouncing.
yeah. All right, turn, unchoke it. See, you've got it flooded.